Redshirt senior Michael Newburger is the 2013 NCAA champion and a two-time All-American on pommel horse. Newburger holds the NCAA and Ohio State record on the event, earning Big Ten Gymnast of the Week and CGA Gymnast of the Week honors for his record-setting performance. A team captain, Newburger is the 2013 Winter Cup champion and 2013 U.S. bronze medalist on pommel horse. Academically, Newburger has earned Capital One Academic At-Large First Team and Capital One Academic All-District honors, as well as being a four-time Distinguished Merit Scholar and National Buckeye Scholar and a three-time Big Ten Distinguished Scholar.
Alex Norris is a four-time NCAA qualifier and 13-time Big Ten finalist for the women's swimming and diving team. A member of the honors program at Ohio State, she is an exercise science major who will begin work towards a doctorate in physical therapy this summer. In the pool, she was honorable mention All-America in 2011 and qualified for the 2012 U.S. Olympic trials. Last January, she broke 5 pool records at the Kenyon Winter Invite, on her way to earning Big Ten and Division I National Swimmer of the Week honors.